Hello and welcome to Sir Excel Saving Interest Calculator Excel template. With this template, you can easily calculate the interest amount of the money that you have deposited in your bank account. All you have to do is define your inputs in this section. Once you do that, the formulas in this template will reflect according to your inputs. So choose your annual interest and define your deposit date. Choose your interest frequency from the drop-down list and write down the deposit duration in months. You can also choose the interest type from the drop-down list if it's going to be simple or compounded. The results section and also the table are made of formulas and they do not need any input. I hope this video was informative enough to use this template in your daily life. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.